But I think there's a big Joel Pharmacy. Their company, the producer Joel. I don't know if it's Joel or Joel or Joel. Joel. So this is their company. In case you're thinking Joel, they have Joel. Yeah, this is their company. The view is not really okay, but then you saw that, right? Yeah, you did. Even if you didn't. I know you did. So if you're enjoying this video so far, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you like my face. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button now. No, don't say later. Hit it now. Now. Hit it, and also on the notification bell. This date is 30th. In case I end up posting it tomorrow, because I may just post it tomorrow. Maybe I'll be tired of stuff. So today's 30th. So you know my birthday. Save that date, baby. Save that date, baby. And we're almost at the store. Almost at the store. Let me show you the back view. Yeah. I don't know where that road is. But this is the road to the store, people. And that's the store over there. There's the store over there. There's the store. Forget the outside. The inside is what you. Anyway. Outside is not bad, Sha. This is like the only mall here in Oka. Okay, there's Stanel, but then Stanel is kind of far from here. And this one is one that is inside town and it's always packed. I don't know how today is gonna be.
No,
but it's always packed.
Another pack.
So,
Huh? Oh, wow.
we're here. We here, people. So as you can see, there are cars here already, but it's not as much as other days do. But we here. Are we parking here? We're parking here. We're parking here. So we're heading in. Heading in. Still big back. No, it's okay. What's in here? What's in a recycle? How would they take a recycle? I'm vlogging. If they've never seen somebody vlogging before, sorry, but then I have to show my picture. What I'm doing. So welcome to Urban Stores. So we're here. This is what the store looks like. People will be looking at me like I'm crazy, but they don't understand. I have a YouTube channel and I have to vlog for you people. I'm vlogging. So, you didn't bring any. So I'll just go ahead and get myself a basket since nobody wants to get a basket for me. I think this should be okay. So, let's go and buy cake. I think we should be heading this way to get the cake. You just like, hello. This is Ifama, by the way. Remove that thing so they'll see your face. Ilele. Hello. Yeah. Follow her on Instagram so at where? It's not necessary. Yeah. She doesn't want. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at ojira_. So we should be buying cake here. I don't know where my I don't know. She has disappeared somewhere, but we found her. We just seen her. We buying, Mama. So we're bringing. Thank you. Don't hold for me. So I'm now the one. Yeah, baby. So this is like the only convenience store in Oka that is inside town. I wanted to buy tea. I'm looking for green tea, guys. Sit here. No, that's green tea. I'm looking for. So let's go and find cake. I'm looking for this green tea. What's the name? Ever something green tea. They won't be very well. You're looking for green tea together now. I'm looking for the green tea, but I didn't see it. But the name of the green tea is Ever World or Ever something.
Let's
the jasmine and blah blah blah. It's really good. I like it.
This side is not for green tea. See,
It's from here. Let's just go and find the cake. Let's go and buy cake. So I was telling you guys things that we can achieve at 22. When I was much smaller, I think I was still very small. I wish by now I would have like been married or something, but now no, I don't wanna.
See, if I fall since that time.
So, it was video.
Since that time from the car. No. Please and down. This is terrible.
More than
Which one are you buying?
video. How much is this cake? So since I was wishing out, I told you guys I got my now I'm married. No, I don't want that. And since I wish I achieved at 22, I was looking at myself like Kylie Jenner by 22. I'm not Kylie, I'm not from the Jenner or Kardashian family. So I think I'll be taking this shot. I'll be taking this shot. It's not really what I expected I'm getting here. But I don't know. So things I was saying, I would have loved to achieve by 22. I think I'm done with that. I think that's about that. So we'll be picking the cake. This one. Green. So we'll be picking the green cake. I don't know what to write on top because I don't really. Okay, when we pay, we'll come for the write up. Write up.
Nice.
So, as I'm waiting for them to write the whatever on the cake, things I wished I achieved. Unfortunately. Anyway, I'm done with that. So, one of my wishes. I wished my birthday was in school. I don't want to celebrate it at home. The only friend I had here, but I think it was in school, I would have invited her over. And it would have been bigger because I would have received gifts, plenty a lot from friends because I'm in school and now I'm at home, so I don't need any money. I need money. So, for so many reasons, I wish it wasn't here. It would have been fun if it was in school. And also, today would have been the day I wrote my last paper. I would have been a graduate today as well as I'm still having one semester. So yeah, those are all the things I wish that happened today. No, I don't wish this one. This is what would have happened. It would have been a fact. And then I wished my birthday would have been in school. But either way, so far so good. I already zeroed my mind about today. Like I wasn't planning on having any fun or something. I just said today I was going to do a video about things I wish I achieved and stuff. But my mom said I should buy this cake. So let me vlog. This is the cake, this is our cake.